Hello everyone, welcome back to another session on hydraulics. In this session, we will discuss the working principle of the hydraulic jack. So what is a hydraulic jack? A hydraulic jack is a device used to lift heavy loads. Today we will explore the insides of a hydraulic jack and understand its working principles. A hydraulic jack uses two advantages to multiply the applied forces. One is the principle of Pascal's law and the other is the principle of levers. The hydraulic jack has a smaller piston that is connected to a larger piston using a hollow tube. What is Pascal's law? Pascal's law states that the pressure exerted anywhere in the confined incompressible liquid is transmitted equally in all directions. Let us understand how a hydraulic jack uses Pascal's law to multiply the applied force. Here is a small setup to demonstrate the basic principle. A smaller cylinder with a cross-section area of A1 is connected to a larger cylinder with a cross-section area of A2 by using a hollow tube. When a force F1 is applied on the smaller piston, the pressure of F1 by A1 is developed inside the smaller cylinder. This develops a pressure of F2 by A2 on the larger cylinder. Since the system is confined, Pascal's law is valid, so we can say that the pressure at the smaller cylinder is equal to the pressure at larger cylinder. This clearly tells us that the force is at larger cylinder is pressure at smaller cylinder multiplied by the area of larger cylinder. Due to this reason, a large amount of force is developed in the larger piston when a small force is applied on the smaller piston. Now, let us see how the hydraulic jack uses the principle of levers. Levers can be used to exert a large force over a small distance at one end by exerting only a small force over a greater distance at the other. If we apply a force at a point A of the lever and displace it through a long distance, then the point B of the lever moves to a short distance but with a greater force. This same principle is used in the hydraulic jack to multiply force. Now let us see some practical circuits showing the working of an actual hydraulic jack. It consists of a reservoir to store hydraulic fluid. A hollow tube connects the reservoir to the smaller cylinder. Another hollow tube connects the smaller cylinder with a larger cylinder. Now the animation will show the working of the hydraulic jack. For this activity, you will need candlesticks, 2 IV sets, a scissor, an aquarium tube, 2 5 ml syringes, a heat source to heat the tube. If you are ready with your material, so let's begin. I hope you enjoyed building this project. Show some love by giving a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next course. Until then, take care. Bye.